Appliance Professionals. We are headed to Prospect, Kentucky to change out a compressor on an LG refrigerator. Customer's been since November without her refrigerator working, so I'm here to solve that problem. All right, so we know what we're doing now, right? What are we doing?
We're taking out that thing?
Correct. So we're gonna cut this out. So if you look at the new one, you see everything lines up, right? So you got the fat line back there in the back, skinny line up here in the front, and so we're gonna cut that out and hook that back up. That make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't be alarmed. You're gonna hear. Yeah. So this is the nitrogen I have in the system. So make sure it goes down.
I mean, you told me not to be scared. I mean, when I thought it was just going to be that little hissing, but when it went...
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool. So at least we know we got...
Yeah. All the systems are...
Yes, all the systems are clear.
I was like, I don't... When it was... I thought it was here.
Right.
But it was down here.
Oh, so it was there?
Yeah.
Okay.
The nitrogen...
All right, spray it again, please. No bubbles? No bubbles?
Yeah, no.
All right. All right, man, we got your refrigerator dropping down to 48 degrees. We started at 70, so we know we're pulling heat out. Your son was very helpful in helping me. So as I understand, you had 3 other servicers here. They ordered parts and never came back. How was your experience with our company?
Wonderful, the best.